Hello everybody, it's that Techy guy here again, and today I'm going to be giving my PS5 the ultimate modification. This right here is a PS5 logo that is RGB and lights up, and we are going to install it together. Hopefully super easy and simple. Alright, screw it. We're going scissors mode. Come on! There we go. Jeez, man. Now that we got this gun here, let's go ahead and crack her open, huh? I assume that's our lights, stickiness, something to wipe it with, instructions, and a gamer manual. Appreciate the Game Boy. It's been important today, though. Oh, that's how it provides power. Okay. So in the listing it didn't show it. I thought it was something on the inside, but it actually has a USB cable that comes out. Here's our guy. No, that's soldered. Do not take that off, it's soldered. You know, I feel like there's a better way to go about this, but I don't want to rip my PS5 up. Alright, let's go ahead and open up our PlayStation here. I think it just goes something like this. No. Dang, this is kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie to you, Chief. I've gotten it off before though. There you go. So what they don't tell you is there is two things right here. Once you get these pulled back, it just comes right off. And let's twist our boy around here. We need to wipe our boy off here. So let's go ahead, get number one out here. Our little wet wipe. Boop. If you've ever installed a screen protector before, it's the same exact wipes for that. Now let's go ahead and dry it off. Perfect. So let's go ahead and peel off the back, and then I'm going to try to line it up best as I can with shaky hands. Too much coffee this morning. Aha! Hey, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Let's go ahead and make sure it is on there. Perfect. Oh, here we go. Hey, there we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and throw this guy on there, huh? Alright, go ahead. It's a little gracious, so you have a second to move it in place. And now we can go ahead and stick it down. And you can kind of see the air bubbles getting worked out whenever the adhesive is stuck down. Okay, so now we have to pass the cable through this vent hole. Let's see if I can finagle this through. Aha, here we go. Okay. Got it without breaking it. According to the directions here, we need to put it like this. So now let's go ahead and let's peel this guy off. Okay. Now there's only one of these in here, so we got one chance to get this right. And conversely, that means we have one chance to screw it up. That looks pretty good right there, I think. So I guess I'm gonna start from this side, and I am just gonna align it like this. Okay, and then finally gonna stick that guy down there. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good, pretty solid. Let's go ahead and try testing it out real quick. It works. Aha! Alright, let's go ahead and get this guy put back together. Let's see what it looks like. All powered up. Now we got it all set up for the studio display. Let's go ahead and plug our guy in here. There we go. And then you can kind of hide the cord, it looks like. Kind of in the vent there. Very nice, very nice. You won't be able to see it really. Oh, look at that. Awesome. You know, you can kind of see the LEDs, but it actually doesn't look too bad. Yeah, if I had to give myself one critique, I think I could have placed these lights just a little bit above the logo. But hey, Now you guys know. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.